Okay, so what is
get
the
them
actual
acquainted.
process?
No, you should let them karmically relax with each other and see
Okay.
what's going on.
Just a
So
little
you're
more.
going to actually do the mating here tonight, Christine.
Excuse me?
Well, you're the
I'm gonna
you're the
switch
most
cameras
professional
and
one
everything.
here.
Okay,
We'll
okay,
just go like
okay.
this. What I want you to do is, I want you to lower this lip with one finger. Not my
Here
lip.
we
Just,
go
yeah,
again.
not my lip, not your lip. Just the plant's
If I
lip
had
here.
$1 for... No, I'm kidding.
Okay, now
Okay.
you want to go in, and you
Okay.
see this little thing sticking up, this little,
Yeah.
it's going to be sticky.
This right here?
There's little things hanging down often
there.
are, yes.
Oh, is
So put that little
Right
little
there?
toothpick behind it.
behind it.
You sneaked up from
Ow,
behind.
I just
And,
stabbed it.
okay, go sideways.
Yeah.
No. I want you.
Okay.
Now watch
I'm
me
not
closely.
good at this. I'm
You're
not
good.
an orchid mater. Okay, we're going to be testing Dr. Hoff right now. I'm going to say something. You tell me whether it is a power play or a foodstuff. Okay, very good.
Okay,
So we're going to
let's see.
start off with, ready? We're
Yes,
going to rapid
sure.
fire here. S&M.
Well, that's erotic power. That's power play, sadomasochism.
Very good. M&M.
M&M. Oh, that can be used for food erotic power play. Those are little chocolates, but you can play with them. Yeah.
Very good. This is M&M. Okay,
Right.
this is not an erotic power play, but can be used as such. Okay, quickly.
Okay.
B&D.
Bondage and discipline, right?
Okay, very good. And we know that one. And then finally, this is a tricky one. C&H.
CNH. That's the sugar, right? Yeah. Okay.
Food stuff, not power play.
That's my mouth.
Oh, that's disgusting. Ew. Okay, a little bit sweaty. It's a little sweaty. Okay, hang
It
on.
smells.
So I'm putting it on.
And then you're going to want to turn it around because it's backwards. And then you're going to want to... Yeah.
Did I have it on backwards? Okay, wait a minute. Okay. There. Now I can
Okay,
be a
now you
derby girl.
look good.
Okay.
Except it's mine, so you're going to want to give it back.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
But you can
There you
put on
go.
this... Here, throw that on.
Okay, this?
This
Am I
is-
putting this on for
Yeah,
real?
Yeah, sure. Throw
Is
it
there a
on.
front and back this time? Because I don't want to.
No, but there is a side.
I'm not going to embarrass
There's a
myself.
sideways.
There's a side. Okay,
Don't
so
do it sideways. Yeah.
Don't do it
Race and
sideways.
straight.
Just like
there
this.
you go. Okay.
Okay.
Now you're...
Yeah.
I don't even know
That's
what you
attractive.
look like. I think you look like a spacewalker.
I feel like an Oompa Loompa.
So yeah.
Okay, so if I'm in the pack and a jammer's coming my way, I can just like pow right out over and flip her over the rail and no.
No.
Say no.
Yeah, actually, in the old roller derby, you could have maybe done that, and the crowd would have gone wild. You could have thrown the elbow, and the girl could like. You want me to show you?
Okay, sure. So we're making believe we're
Should I
skating.
pop this on.
I like that.
So I can.
Don't put the mouth thing in though. That's disgusting.
I might have to actually.
Okay. Okay. Great. There we go. So we,
All right,
we
so
move
this is
over.
for
You want to
safety,
move a
so
little
you-
closer? Okay.
And up
Okay,
my magnet.
okay.
Actually.
So show me what a. Okay, we're skating. Right. We're skating. We're skating.
All right, so this would be illegal. Ready?
Okay. So what's illegal? Ow! That hurts.
All right, that's not allowed.
Okay, that
that?
hurt. That actually hurt. Thank you, kid. You're scaring me.
Okay.
I'm a little bit nervous sitting across from a vampire, but I have brought some protection. I hope you don't mind or feel insulted. I've actually brought a cross. That's funny to you?
Oh, I love it. That's great. Can I see that?
Okay, well, here you go. I thought that you guys are supposed to be scared of crosses.
Oh, you made this, didn't you?
But why? Why is there a problem
Oh,
with it? It's a cross and it's
that's-
wood, right?
What kind of wood is it?
I think it's Doug fir.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Is that bad?
It's not bad, but it won't do you any good. The only kind of wood that will destroy a vampire is ash wood,
Why is it ashwood?
because the real cross was made out of ash wood.
I have
Okay.
backup because I have a wooden stake, which now I find out because I don't think is ashwood is not going to help me. This I actually ran over when I was parking. So I brought this
well,
down.
you
Thanks to
know.
the city. I'll put it back, I promise. I'll put it back. But there's one more thing. I brought garlic. You guys don't like garlic, I know that.
That's cute. Let me see.
Oh no, you can have garlic too?
You know, this is one of my favorite Hollywoodisms. They make us out to be these horrible, hideous monsters, and then they say we're afraid of a spice.
So he's gathered pickup lines and he is actually going to try them out on us and we are going to be rating them to see how they do. Are you ready for this, John?
Yes. All right, ladies, I have a question for you from a female perspective. Don't you think there's too many sports on TV?
Wait, where's a 10?
I like that. Yeah, because he's asking an opinion and creating
Right.
a dialogue, which when you're in a bar or a social scene, that's a good thing to do.
That's wonderful.
I
And
like
proving that he's not a total sports fanatic, which drives me
Right.
nuts. So
Right.
that
Yeah.
would be great. I love that one. Was that yours, John, or was that somebody else's?
I did make that up.
That's a
You
good
did?
one. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
but,
really good. I like
but then,
that.
of course, our first date would be to a football game or something. You might not believe this, but I came here from the future. So normally I shouldn't talk to you, but you're so beautiful, I will make an exception.
Do we have a 0?
Well, I don't know. For me, flattery gets you everywhere.
Flattery,
so I'm
4.
going to give a 4.
I'm not even
You're going to
rating
get a
it.
0.
Future? You're from the future? Oh my God. Are these real people that you asked? That wasn't yours.
That one I made up.
You're fired.